What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna keep this video very short. This video I really want to show you the results of the first month of trading with the ZennBot. In the moment I'm gonna jump onto my computer, connect to my server. I will add a custom date for a 1 month back and we will have a look how much money I have managed to generate with the ZennBot Zero. So without further ado, without wasting your time, let's go ahead and have a look at my screen. So this is my server. As you can see in the balance, I currently have 4,194 bucks. I'm sorry the screen is a bit distorted. I have set it to the stretch view to do the full screen for my OBS studio. If you will look at the calendar right now, we can see we are at Sunday 1st of February, so it's the perfect time to make this video because the second month of 2026 is just starting right now, so we can have a look at the month of January's result. As you can see, I have already, by the way, set up the Dark Venus on the 15-minute time frame for Euro GBP. I chose this pair because it has the most sideways movement, because Euro and Great Britain economies are interconnected, so the overall movement of the charts is usually the sideways. But let's not get into this. I'm gonna add more videos about the Dark Venus, what settings I'm using, where I'm getting these settings, but let's not get into this right now. So let's see how much money I have managed to make for the first month of January with the ZennBot Zero. So this is all of my history. If I go ahead and click last month, you can see that the total profit is 94 bucks, which is fair. I'm really happy about it. I'm not complaining. We did experience one break-even trade with slight negative of almost 3 euros. That's because of spreads, but overall that trade was break-even. As you can see, all of the trades were based on gold USD. However, there is additional trade which is Euro US dollar, and it has negative 44 bucks. It was made on 9th of January, and this was basically a trigger trade for me to initiate the ZennBot expert advisor to my MetaTrader. So in reality we can ignore this negative 44 bucks. In reality I've generated 44 bucks more. So but since this trigger trade ended up in a loss, I still have compensated it with each of other trades and managed to make myself some decent profit. I'm really not complaining. So currently for the month of January, overall I've seen about 1 trade per week. I've asked about it in the Discord channel. I've of course cross-checked in the Discord channel because I may have suspected I may have done something wrong with my setup, but I've received same trades like those guys in the Discord, so everything is fine from my point of view when we're talking about setup of this ZennBot. But overall the month of January was pretty slow, doing about 1 trade per week. Again, I've asked fellas in the Discord, and they basically said that there are weeks with no trades, there are weeks with trades daily, so it's all about the conditions of the market, and overall I'm not really complaining. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you saw, my lot sizes were 0.23. I've used the multiplier 1.5. If you're unsure what that means, I suggest you check out the link in the pinned comments. I'm gonna add a link to the playlist of the ZennBot. There is a video of how the calculations for the positions are working, but overall this month was still profitable. I am not complaining. Now regarding the next result video, I'm not sure. That all depends of the frequency of the trades. I mean, if I still generate for the month of February averaging about 1 trade per week, I am think I'm gonna do maybe monthly results or reports, but if I see maybe more trades per week or something, I'm gonna do it weekly. So it all depends on the frequency of the trades. But overall, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you've liked it. I'm really happy about the profits. And by the way, this is not by any chance a financial advice. You should not blindly do whatever I'm doing. You should always do your due diligence. But anyway, guys, I'm shorting this video right now. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. That means a lot to me. I will see you in the next one. Bye.